In today's video, we're going to discuss the differences between the three rate types for your customer charges on the cost billing screen of a shipment or a quote. These particularly come into play when you have a customer who has a tariff. So on the cost billing screen, if your customer has a tariff, it will automatically calculate charges for you, and you can tell this has been done by this Y in the auto column. But if you have a shipment or a quote where you'd like to give them a spot rate or a reduced rate or a higher rate than what is indicated in their tariff, then you need to modify what automatically applies here. So if we click select, you can see that now we have an over, a rate, and a spot. So an explanation of over is when the rated amount or the calculated rate is not enough to cover the minimum charges. So the system automatically checks the over box and puts a minimum amount here and leaves the rate out. Rate means that the system has automatically rated it and it has come up with a calculated cost that covers the minimum. If for any reason you do not want the system to change this rated amount, you should use spot. So if I change it to spot and I put 0.52 here, the system will automatically calculate at 52 cents a pound. The same applies that if you'd like to have the system charge just a flat amount. If you want them to charge a flat amount no matter what the weight or the dims or anything else that happens, then you still use the spot box. You remove the rate here and then you enter your flat charge. If you do the process this way, no matter what you update on screen 1 of your shipment, whether it be the origin or the destination or the service level or the weight, the amount charged on screen 2 will remain the same. So in this case, it's a flat rate. If I changed it back to a spot rate of 0.52 cents a pound and it charges $3.90, in this case, if I change the weight on screen 1, then it will recalculate based on that weight at 52 cents a pound and not reapply the calculated rates that came from the tariff. As always, if you have questions on this or any other thing that CATS does, you can reach out to the help desk.